Little TV. Watch, play, learn.
Hello kids, welcome to Little TV. So kids, today's topic is multiplication table and today we will learn table of 4. So let's start. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10 are 40. So kids, it's time to repeat it one more time. 4 1 is 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. 4 10s are 40. So kids, see you tomorrow with table of 5 video. Till then, bye-bye.